to the next stage of the lighting fitting. And now we're moving to the back of this beast. Okay, pretty much taking off the whole of the rear cover. So, oh yes, I've got decided to get a bit more organised. I put everything in a nice little tub. So, let's how these come out. Right, that comes off nicely. One side. Anything else that needs to come out? Let's see what that is. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's that section there. But weirdly, right, I also take this section there, but for some reason on their instructions, those parts are grey, not black. I don't know if that's something to do with the kit they used, or if I did something wrong in the build, but I can't remember having leftover grey bits, so I'm going to say it's their problem. And I've just lost my light, but I'll continue. As it looks like there's enough light to keep going, and this has been a pain. This is where this tool comes in handy. Normally, there we go. Right, let's put that back on there, and get this piece as well. Right, put that one side. Okay, so what we're doing, taking these, definitely need this tool or nails for this piece. Taking these out, I'm going to be putting lights behind them. And these are the lights in question. And thankfully these ones are really straightforward because you've got plenty of play. So all you do here, it's a bit like the ones that we've used earlier. They sit behind and just held in place by the piece itself. So can't be a little fiddly as all of these tend to be, but yeah, no, that sits in there nicely. And the other one, actually it's the right way around because I don't want the light pointing into the kit. And that one goes on there. And what we're doing with the cables. Okay, okay, the cables are running down the side and down behind here. There's a nice big void here, so these, I'm assuming, will just run straight down to the chassis and out, although I'm at least tempted to wind them here, but no, I'll take them down individually and then wind them through the chassis itself. What I might actually do is at least pull them through. That's proving a bit of a pain. Right, that's those through. And okay, yeah, the next piece. Missing a cable, I think. Yes. There we go. Yep. Just need that as well. Right. They handily supplied this brick, which is an official Lego brick, so I'm not mixing Lego with non-Lego. That's why I found it a bit odd with that near cell, that those little grey pieces I had to put in weren't included, because as far as I'm aware they aren't part of this kit normally. So I would have expected them to come as part of the lighting kit. But anyway, luckily I had some spares. So yeah, unfortunately it's a black piece, so it's not showing up particularly well against this background. But all we do, stick your back LED strip, and that just sits over this Lego piece. And it's one of the things Briksmax does. I know Lighttailing tend to supply all of their LEDs actually glued into Lego bricks for you. But Briksmax lets you do it yourself. Right, where is this going? Yeah. Where is this going? So that's definitely that piece. Which normally lives there. Oh, just going to put that back in the wrong place. Yeah. That normally lives there. So if that's... Ah, I see. I think. Right. It's not just that. Right. Looks like this whole thing has to come out. Okay. Right. Yeah. I see where it's going, I think. So, yeah. So this actually sits there, and this is going to light up the cockpit. Not particularly clear where the cable, but it doesn't really matter too much as long as it's somewhat hidden. So I'll plug that in there. easiest way to do this. I'm going to thinking. Right, that sits there. Yeah, we'll take that piece out. So. Yeah. Run it down the side there. Right. Try not to drop it. Yeah, that should hopefully. Let's try to make sure it doesn't get caught in the normal one of things. Right. Yeah, that seems okay. And then I can run that in the same way as that side light. It'll go. Yep. There we go. Right, so we've got those three coming out of the base. Okay. Alright. Another quick flip. And okay, see what they're doing here. Right. Seems to reconnect this cable. It's from the one we used before when we were doing the cable management. That runs up the chassis. So what they were doing here, sending this cable through there first, and then out through the side. And with these two, I think I'll give them a bit of a twist, since they're all going the same way. Right. And then they essentially follow the same route as the one on the other side, just on the opposite side. The black one doesn't want to go through, there we go. Right, pull that tight. Into here. And I'm sure at a later point we'll have a bit more patching to do with another little board. I think that will do for this segment.